Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account in Expensify. By the end, you'll have your bank connected so reimbursements can flow directly to your account. I'll walk you through each screen in New Expensify and share a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening new.expensify.com and signing in. On the left side of the home screen, open the account section. This is where your personal settings live. In Account, select Wallet. Wallet is the place where you manage payment methods and payout destinations. If you're part of a company policy, you'll still add your personal bank here to receive your reimbursements. In Wallet, choose Add Bank Account. When Expensify asks what you want to do with this account, pick Get Reimbursed. That tells Expensify this account is for receiving money, not sending it. Next, select your located bank. Use the search bar to quickly find your bank or choose the country and provider shown on the list. If your bank appears, select it and proceed. When you're ready, click Next to continue. You may be prompted to enter a verification code or authentication details from your bank. Enter the code exactly as received and avoid copying extra spaces. If multi-factor prompts appear, complete them in the same browser window so the connection doesn't time out. Click Next when the code is accepted. Now enter your bank details. Depending on your region, this may include routing and account numbers, account type, and your address. Type carefully and double-check each digit. Most issues come from a single mistyped number. If Expensify shows formatting hints, follow them precisely. Click Next to move on. Enter the account holder details. Use your legal name and personal information exactly as it appears with your bank, including full address and date of birth if requested. Consistency helps pass verification quickly and prevents payout delays. When everything looks correct, click Next. Review the summary on screen and click Confirm to proceed. You'll see an authorization checkbox. Read it and check the box to agree that you own the account and allow reimbursements to be sent there. Finally, click Confirm again to submit. That's it. Your bank account is now added to Expensify. Verification can be instant or it may take a little time depending on your bank. You can monitor the status anytime under Account, then Wallet. Once verified, reimbursements sent to you in Expensify will be deposited directly into this account. If anything looks off, return to Wallet to edit details or start over. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to get reimbursed seamlessly.